Hey guys, Tez here. Today we'll be talking about 6 things on the car that every car owner should check regularly. Neglecting any of these will compromise safety, efficiency, and may lead to a lot of things breaking on you. Number 1, the most important, engine oil. This should be checked once a month. If it's an older car, every 2 weeks. Check in the morning when the engine is cold. If the engine was just running, turn it off, let it sit for about 5 minutes. To check the oil level, you must find the oil dipstick, which is usually yellow. Pull it out and make sure the oil level is between the markers. If the dipstick is dry, then oil level is too low. Open the oil filler cap, which is on top of the engine. Pour half a quart at a time and recheck oil level. Repeat until you see oil appears on the dipstick. Too much oil will cause damage, so do not add too much at a time. Which oil grade to use? Check your owner's manual. If you don't have yours, then Google may be your best bet. Number 2, coolant level. This should be checked once a month. If it's an older car, every 2 weeks. Engine must be cold for an accurate reading. To check coolant level, just look at the side of the coolant reservoir tank. Make sure it is within the specified limits. Never ever open the coolant tank when it's hot. You will hurt yourself. Never fill the coolant tank with tap water because it will cause internal components to rust. Only refill with distilled or deionized water. Number 3, tires. Check with a tire pressure gauge at least once a month. What's the right pressure, you might ask? It is labeled on the B pillar. A visual inspection is also necessary. Look for uneven tread wear or cracks on the sidewall. An alignment check every 6 months will ensure you get the most out of your tires. Number 4, brakes. Aside from taking the wheel off to check the brake pads itself, while you're using the vehicle, just pay attention to these things. Listen for prolonged screeching sounds or brake pedal pulsation when you apply the brakes. If either one or both occurs, please have them checked by a professional or yourself if you know how to do it. Number 5 is the battery. Check the battery terminals at least once a month for corrosion buildup. Corrosion will drain your battery faster. If there's corrosion, simply mix baking soda and water in a cup and pour over the terminals. Repeat until all corrosion is gone. Also, when starting your engine in the morning, just pay attention to how fast it cranks over. A weak or slow crank indicates a weak or dying battery. Have it checked by a professional before it's too late if that occurs. Number 6. All exterior lights and indicators, please have them checked at least once a month. Not only is this for everyone's safety, but this will also prevent the police from giving you a tough time. Turn on all the lights, simply walk around the car and visually inspect everything. If you notice any one of them are burnt out, replace them immediately. Well, there you have it. The 6 most vital things that I feel that every car owner should check on a regular basis. If you have any questions, comments, please post them below. I'll gladly get to them. Hit that like button and also subscribe for more future content. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time.